guys, this is Ray here with you today. Today we're making this beautiful go-to look right here. If you do not know which kind of makeup you want, or maybe you're not certain about what you're gonna wear, do this one and you will not miss with it. So to reveal the secret how this one been made, stay till the end of the video. For now, let's rock this look. I'm taking my Milky Mist by Pixi and I will just spritz it all over my face. Feels so good. And I'm just taking my MAC flat foundation brush. It's number 190. And I will kind of dab it into my skin. You can do the same thing with a beauty sponge. You can spray your mist or whatever you use, the Fix Plus or anything, onto your beauty sponge and just dab it all over your skin. It's gonna be just the same thing. For my brows, I'm gonna use L'Oreal Brow Stylist Frame and Set. And as usual, I'm just making my eye shape more defined and better, so I'm not drawing a new brow on. I'm just working with what I have. So, and with this pomade, I prefer to start with the tip of the brow and place the most product there, and little by little go to the front. With my MAC 195 concealer brush, I will apply the Fit Me by Maybelline concealer and I will carve out the brows. With the concealer now, I'm covering blemishes. So let me go through what's done already. I've curved out the brows, applied the concealer to entire lids, to the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and chin, and a little bit to the middle of my forehead. Also, I've covered the blemishes, and we are done with the concealer for now. Afterwards, we'll put it under the eye area. Right now, we want to do a little bit of a highlight. I don't want to go crazy right now because I'm showing you my go-to look. So something if you do not know what kind of makeup you want today, you do this makeup and you are perfect for the day. I will go for the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator, and with my fingers I will apply it to the high points of my face. This product is really pretty. It is settled, but it gives you such a sophisticated glow, so it doesn't give you beaming highlight. So I have applied it already to my cheeks and a little bit of the forehead. Now I will go for the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and the chin. So basically the same places we applied our concealer to, plus the cheeks. So I've decided to make a few looks out of the same palette because basically in real life and everyday life, when you're not beauty blogging or something, you do not go shopping for makeup every day and you can't buy the palettes every single day, the new ones. So, and I mean, it is so important to get the most out of the products you have. Today I'm going to use the Milani palette. So let me go for the foundation. I really like Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I will use just a tiny bit of it, and I will apply it with my Morphe M444 brush. It applies so thinly. It's really beautiful. I've applied foundation straight to the brush, and I will buff it for my face. Right now, I will just bump my beauty blender into my skin, pressing the product in so to get the most natural look. Right now, you can totally see the creasing of the concealer in my eyelids, and that's absolutely fine. I do not care about it right now. When I will be baking my under the eye area, I will apply just a little bit of a powder on top of my eyelids to prevent the creasing and to create a beautiful blending base. That's basically what we're gonna do right now. I will get my concealer, and once again, it's Fit Me by Maybelline, and apply it to my under eye zone in a triangle shape. For baking today, I've decided to try out something new. It is LA Girl High Resolution Setting Powder. So this is a very interesting little one. It has a fluff here, which is so cute. It is sealed, so let's open it. It's very nice milled. So smooth. Whoa. So let's try some. I will put some. Okay, LA Girl. I mean, it's all over the place. So let me buff my concealer once again to make sure that we have no creasing here. And I will do one zone at a time just to see how it works. To apply it, I will use my Sonia Kashuk 149 brush. To be honest, it is extremely interesting product. It is very finely milled, but the texture, it looks so much like baking soda. So much. So I don't know if it's good or bad, but it is completely different from my MAC set powder. Let's do the same thing on the left side, but for under the eye area, I will use the puff, which was with the powder, instead of a brush. Okay, that was really interesting. Let's do the contour. I will contour with NYX's Wonderstick. You all know this one, my fave, all the time. Let me blend all this beauty with a sponge, and we'll see from there. As far as contour goes, I love to leave it not finely blended. You can still tell that there is a contour situation going here, because afterwards I love to take my Sonia Kashuk 100 large powder brush and MAC Select Pressure Powder and apply it very slightly all over the face. So let's do that now. And since this powder still has a little tint to it, it will smooth the contour. Don't forget, really light. And with the same brush, I'm taking my Wet n Wild ColorIcon bronzer and very light-handed, apply it mostly to the contour areas, let's say that, just to warm up the look a little bit. And one out of the most recent faves of mine is to get your bronzer and the fluffy brush, the blending brush. It is 105 It Cosmetics, and to shape your crease with it. As I mentioned, today I'm using Milani palette, the basic mattes. Let me start with my Morphe 507 brush and the black shade here. I'm going with my It Cosmetics 105 brush and just blending this top area right here, but not the lower lid, because I want a lot of people there. Right away, I'm putting a little bit of this black to my lower lash line just to make an angle. Right now, I'm going for this beautiful warm brownish beige. With my Morphe 507 brush, I've added the dark brown to make two colors blend better. So I've added kind of in the middle of everything. And with Morphe 273, I'm adding the lightest shade of the palette to the inner corner. And I'm as well putting it under my brow. I'm taking Sony Kashuk smudge brush and applying this brown color, the bright brown, to the lower lash line. I will use my Kat Von D tattoo liner to make my lash line more defined. I will apply just a tiny bit of my Marc Jacobs mascara just to give some color to the lashes. For blush, I'm using my It Cosmetics 227 blush brush and my MAC Cubit. With my MAC 116 brush, I will go to Love You So Mochi Highlighting Palette by NYX and get this beautiful golden shade. Let's do Fascinating by MAC to waterline. For lips, I'm using my MAC Cream Sheen Glass Dynasty at Dusk shade. It is so interesting to find out that even the makeup products had their big gap in the history from the ancient Egypt and Rome, where it was on top of its popularity. It was the peak of the popularity of those products, and then a huge silent gap was there with people mostly not using it, and all the way to the Middle Ages when the European soldiers came back from the Crusades on the Middle East, bringing with them with a whole bunch of exotic products and knowledge to serve to the Europe. And among those products were the cosmetics, which were first adopted by the high-class citizens, the nobility, and afterwards the rest of the population. Right now I'm taking my Pixi Milky Mist and spraying it all over the face. Okay guys, here we are at the end of the video. I had a lot of fun today, so thank you so much for staying with me. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. So I'm wishing you all the best. I love you all, and for now,